Hey folks, good morning and welcome to Auman Landscaping today, the Hardscape Academy. And as I pass by Kid Contractor podcast here, our goal is to help you become a better landscape contractor, landscape designer, better business person, all that stuff. I want to show you what goes down at Hardscape Academy here. I'm here early in the morning, just finishing on day 2 now. A couple setups here. We're working on just getting the place set up for the second day session here. And I want to show you real quick. Day 1, pavers. We go through all paver related stuff. And maybe I'll do a day 2 wrap up here today. And then we talk also a lot about, we have one of the trucks in here, kind of showing layout and ideal setup and stuff. I gotta get a tool rack so those aren't sitting in the bed. And then we run through also ideal tools. And we've got different labor savers, data capturing devices here. I mean, there's just so much. We talk about tools, tool setup, tool cages. I can't wait to get my official created ones of these turned in. Saw cutting, more cutting, dustless cutting, non-dustless. And then we talk about paver construction. And the real idea is here, we plan on, and what we want people leaving with is understanding the basic principles. We don't have time over 2 days to go and build some huge, crazy, fancy install. It's not our formula here. But we talk about base prep and subsoil compaction, like with all those machines over there. And then we talk about the principles of construction, and we got sand all over the place, but how to compact those pavers, how to, how your banding might look and go, and all those things. So that's kind of what we run through. Big thanks to our sponsors that make this a super affordable event. Company Ham here, County Materials, Site One, and Green Foundry Lighting, which is what we talk about on day 2 here. Today we talk about retaining walls, freestanding walls, seat walls, lighting, and just a lot of other business related stuff. So 2 days is very intense, $1,000, you can't beat it. We feed you well, and we have a really great time. So we'll do a summary here at the end of the day, showing you what we do at the end of day 2, and go from there. And then also we'll have our machinery and more equipment in here. We talk about air handling tools for getting projects set up and all that kind of stuff. Just so much stuff here, so much value. That's the idea. So all right, day 1 complete, starting day 2 here, and then we'll wrap up with some more. Okay, end of day 2, man. Holy cow, this is crazy. So much going on. This is crazy. So day 2, we talk about retaining walls, lighting, all sorts of stuff, and we just run through. We're trying to cram a lot of stuff into 2 days, man. So on day 2, we talk about retaining walls, and then we talk about lighting concepts and cutting capstones and how you make that gap go away on a radius. Path lighting again, talk about sending folks to our friends at Green Foundry there, getting plants and hardscape from materials from Site One, buying county materials for your hardscape work, and documenting jobs with the company cam, right? How cool is that? But we're talking about GeoGrid and how and when, loosely when to use GeoGrid. That's all, design specific in a project, but how to level it out, how to get it perfectly leveled. We have some other videos back in the channel here to check that out. Good tools to use, good tools to have, all sorts of equipment. We went outside today. Oh, excuse me. We went outside. Like, whew. I don't know, might cut that or leave it in because it's kind of funny now that I've done it 3 times. Okay, went outside today. I'm gonna go outside quick because it's cold. It ain't got dark fast. Went outside and talked about, we actually cut out a little pad here just to kind of give the guys some experience on like showing how to compact subsoils and do all that stuff. I need to close the truck up in case it rains or something stupid. Just an awesome day here, and just so cool meeting people from all over the country, and people that knew really important people. Just cool stuff, man. It's such fun. I always go to these Hardscape Academy trainings so much. But we cut this out here. This is going to be a pad for that pallet racking there that we're going to use to put all our mini equipment attachments on, and whatever. So cut that out. Got the compactor down in there, and showing guys again, because the weather just happened to break just a little bit, so we can get out and do that. But showing guys how to compact subsoils, apply geofabrics, build their base up, use a laser, set grades, set slopes, all that. It is an intense 2 days. Holy cow. So that's what Hardscape Academy is. It's what it's about here in a 2-day training. And we look for you to join us. go to thehardscapeacademy.com to check out our schedule. We have one more training in February. We got a few spots left for that open still, but I'm going to turn off this light to just show some of the lighting and how cool lighting is. And we talk about lighting in the job. And again, we're just crash coursing through all this, but it gives the idea. And again, going to Green Foundry there and checking that stuff out. So that being said, awesome time here, folks. And from Auman HQ here, the Hardscape Academy, I think that's it. We're gone for the day. See you.